Hello everyone! By any chance, have your eBay sales dropped? Let's go over 3 main reasons for slow sales on eBay and some tips on how to fix them. In order to find the reason for the drop in sales, you need to investigate your store. And this all needs to start from your seller performance dashboard. And you have to be looking for defects, cases closed without seller resolution, new negative feedback, change in seller rank above or below standard, increase in return rate, or tracking delays. The second reason for your drop in sales can be type of product you sell. For example, if you focus on seasonal products and the season or holiday has passed, you should just stop selling those products. The third reason for slow sales can be wrong policies. If you're using too long of a handling time or you do not accept returns, that can directly affect your listings ranking on eBay, which will cause lower traffic and sales. So, how do you fix slow sales? Well, start by taking these 6 actions. Call eBay to remove your defect or negative feedback you receive. Never give up, even if it seems impossible, you can always do it. Upgrade your eBay policies, increase your return policies to 60 days, and make sure your handling time is as low as possible. Build back your eBay momentum by listing traffic products. Traffic products are usually products that sell for $10 or less and have a very high sales history. For example, 150 sales in the last 30 days. Increase your activity on eBay. You want the eBay algorithm to see that you are a professional store owner. Opening your store every day, answering customers on time, editing prices or titles from time to time, removing out of stock items, and listing new items every day. Make sure to kill your customer with kindness. That means you have to send messages to your customer after each time you sell a certain product or you ship the product, and always put their satisfaction at first priority. Your listing optimization matters. Optimize your titles, make sure your item specifics is rich with relevant information about the product you sell. And have your description started with a title, description, bullet points, and your shipping and return policies. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to our channel to get updated on every video that we release. Have a good one, and I will see you next time.